Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So today's video is another wash day, and basically I'm just going to be showing you guys in details the product that I use because I'm still reviewing the Alikay natural product, and this time I use the Avocado deep conditioner. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and yeah, see you in the next one. The smell is really good, and it's the pre-poo oil, which is the grapeseed oil that I got. It's mixed with the anjaki grapeseed oil. So I'm going to be going over this with my like deep I'm going to apply this to my hair and leave it in for like 40 minutes before I wash. Then after I wash, I'm going to do my deep conditioning, and after that I do the deep conditioning with the avocado. Then I'm going to apply a conditioner because I don't have a leave-in conditioner. Okay, this is the oil I'm going to be using, the Dabur Amla, and I've had this for I think 2 months now, but I use it whenever I feel the need to use it. But it's good. It's good on every wash day, and that is the same oil that's in here. So I'm going to take a little bit, it's a little bit warm, and I'm just going to apply. It's dripping, massage it in. It does have a strong scent smell. Just putting some on the tip of my hands. I'm so long overdue for a trim. So we will be using this morning. I'm gonna retine it out, and hopefully I get a good result. I have used the other portion. I have used the Honey&Sage, the conditioner. I just found that the honey was a little bit too, not the honey, the sage was a little bit too strong for me. So this is what it looks like when I used it, and I won't be using that one today, but I will be using I'll be trying out the avocado cream on my hair. I have washed my hair, so I'm just going to try it out and leave it on, and just to give my hair a little bit of moisture, and we'll see how it feels. Okay, now this is a freshly washed hair. My hair is a little bit, it feels super dry because the last time I washed it, I didn't really put a lot of moisturizer in it just because I was pressed of time. However, this is my hair freshly washed. I also ran out of the Alikay black shampoo that I used, so I went back to using sulfur, which is affordable. I think this one was like $8.99 from the beauty supply, and it's really good for the scalp, especially if you have dandruff or flakes, which I can tend to have, especially when I put too much gel in my hair. So this is what I use, sulfur 8, going back to the old school, y'all. And my hair is pretty clean, but it feels dry. So that is why I'm going to try the avocado moisture. So what I'm going to be doing is I will put this in for 30 minutes. This is it. I believe this has, what is the ingredient? First of all, this is my first impression, like actually applying on my hair. The last video that you guys see, I was unboxing it and I was showing you the picture, you know, like the product and stuff. If you haven't seen that video, the link right here for you guys to click on it and watch the video to see and get my honest opinion of what I think of the product. Oh my god, are you kidding me? This really just happened. Is this a sign that I'm not supposed to use this product? Like it literally. Alright, now that that's done, we can get back to business. So I've already applied some. Like I wasn't gonna wear that way. I just grabbed it from the floor, slammed it into my hair. So I'm just gonna quickly part this. A little bit messy. I wouldn't even say a little bit, it's quite messy. It can be quite messy because the more you apply in your hair, the more it can drip off and stuff like that. So anyways, we're gonna get this going. We go ahead and apply this in each section and braid it in. So far I like the feel of my hair, not even gonna lie, because like I said before I applied this, my hair was super dry. So I am gonna pay attention to the ends of my hair. There is some black thing inside, and I'm thinking that the smell is alright. It's not as strong as the Honey and Sage deep conditioner. The only thing I don't like is the color. Like I don't like the color thing that she put. I know she has lemon. She has another line, and I'll see if I'm gonna be trying that in the near future. But so far, yo, this seems to do the job of. Yeah, this seems to do the job of actually giving my hair that moisture. I'm not even gonna lie right now, because again, my hair was super dry when I washed it and came out of the shower. So I'm just gonna try and do this as quickly as possible and give you guys the verdict of what I think and how I like this in my hair. Alright, so this is my hair, and I basically all I did, rinsed it out, over it with a VO5 conditioner, and I'm about to apply some oil and some moisturizer. So I will be going over it. I don't even know how to style this right now. So first I will be using her Shea yogurt hair moisturizer. I've already started using it, and I actually like the smell of this one. I don't really dig the color, but even though I like yellow, but I like this one. So before my hair dries out, I will be applying that a little bit, because it does have shea butter and other stuff. And this is the style I'm going for. I've never really attempted this style on my hair, but I will show you guys when I'm done. But before I continue, I love to make sure my scalp is amazing. So I'm going to be going over it with Sulfur Original Anti-Dandruff Medicated Hair and Scalp Conditioner. So I usually use this mainly for my children. You know, they got the flaky scalp, but I also use it at times. And what I do is I take a little dab, and then I go over my virgin hair fertilizer, and I mix it up. That's how I've been getting wild growth. My hair has been growing like hey, and I just dab it into the scalp generously, because the scalp needs to be. Alright y'all, so I finished up with the twist, and I just tied my hair down for a little bit, and this is what it looked like. So I just ended up doing the back of my hair, twisting it, and this is what I think of the product. I love both the Avocado Deep Hair Mask as well as the Shea Moisture. I did well on my hair, and those are the two products that I really enjoy, and then I'll continue using. So with that being said, thank you so much for tuning in, and if you watch this all the way, thank you so much. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe and watch out for other videos.